Let's unbox the zeroHero portable espresso machine. Camping trips, morning commutes, weekend getaways. Your cafe-grade coffee goes wherever you go. No barista skills needed. Pop in grounds or capsules. Lock the magnetic brew head and press go. 18-bar Pro pressure pumps out silky crema that rivals desktop machines. All in 30 seconds. Smaller than your bottle. Tougher than your commute. Charge it once, brew 80 shots. When life moves fast, the perfect espresso keeps pace. Zero hassle, zero limits.